Okay, as you can see, the service and zoom light is on, and that is going to be because we had a misfire. So what we'll do is we'll shut it down, and we'll connect our span tool to the vehicle. Turn on the ignition, and let's see what it says here. Alright, so what we're looking at here diagnostic codes is what we're going to want to read. So, and push enter, read the code, yep. Now it's establishing communication. And PO304, cylinder 4 misfire detected. And PO304. So, what we'll do is we'll back out. And we'll go ahead and erase those fault codes. Yep. Alright, fault code has been cleared. And that is all you need to do to clear out your fault codes. So what we can do is start it back up. And let's see. Let's have a look at some data stream here. And I can just kind of run through this if you want. These are all the readiness tests that the PCM will try and complete. And you can see misfire, fuel system, catalyst, heater cat, evap system. And not all of these are supported for North America. Just have a look at 02 sensors here. Alright, so let's have a look at fuel trim. As you can see, the fuel system right there, closed loop, CL, using heated oxygen sensor. Calculated load, coolant temperature, and the short trim fuel for bank 1, and long trim fuel, or long term fuel trim for bank 1. And then ideally what you'll see is the short term fuel trim. Right now it hasn't stabilized. See what happens when we kind of warm it up a little bit. As this number is in the positive, the long trim will also move to the positive to try and move the short trim as near zero as possible. Here's Here we have a perfect example on the bank 2, how it goes back and forth from 0 to positive there. And what it'll do is it will adjust the alarm swim fuel to keep that within range. There's the mass airflow, the intake air temperature, throttle position, percentage, O2 sensor voltage, and a couple other different readings. And for this tool I have, that's about all it'll read right there. So, alright, well, hope this was helpful. And hopefully this will help you diagnose your, or at least see the spark plugs and be able to clear the fault code and kind of look at the data list and see what it means. That is all from now. Hopefully more videos to come.